Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. What is Venom Foundation? Venom Foundation is a new Layer 0 blockchain that envisions a global economy built on decentralized, blockchain-based, financial systems. They are a new player in the financial application-specific blockchain, appchain, space, offering real-world assets, RWA, with the transparency of a blockchain. They are fully regulated by financial authorities in Abu Dhabi. The architecture of Venom Foundation is essentially a modular blockchain that is built on its own threaded virtual machine, TVM. This allows for the efficient execution of smart contracts through an asynchronous communication model as well as dynamic sharding. In theory, the Venom blockchain can handle interactions between accounts more effectively than EVM-based networks, allowing for greater parallelism and reduced delays. As the network experiences heavy loads, validators divide into parallel groups and handle transactions through split events. As such, their mission is to be the infrastructure for the next generation of digital services and products. Venom Foundation, Venom, Token Airdrop Guide, Next Big Blockchain Narrative? Venom Foundation is licensed by the Abu Dhabi Global Market, ADGM, and they have been making big moves in the crypto space recently. They have allocated $1 billion in funding to invest in Web3 firms, and is launching a Layer 0 blockchain that will function as the main infrastructure for a global ecosystem of Web3 applications. According to their white paper, 22% of the initial token supply will be allocated to the community. This is very likely to be an airdrop to early users. Does Venom Foundation have a token? Venom, the native currency of the Venom blockchain, serves multiple purposes. It is used to pay transaction fees, which helps maintain the network and compensate validators. Additionally, it secures the network through a proof-of-stake mechanism and allows network participants to support validators via pool staking. According to their white paper, the Venom token has no fixed maximum supply. It has an inflationary model, with a projected annual inflation rate of 1%. However, the Venom Foundation is exploring ways to transition to a deflationary model. How to get Venom token airdrop? The best way to get the Venom airdrop is to interact with the Venom Network Testnet. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create a Venom wallet. Go to the Venom Network Testnet and install a Venom wallet. Pin the wallet to your Google Chrome extension at the top right. Claim Testnet Venom tokens. Go to the task page and log in with your Venom wallet. Connect your Twitter account and follow Venom Foundation to claim 50 Testnet Venom. You can also claim additional Testnet tokens by completing other tasks on the faucet page. Complete Venom ecosystem tasks. After claiming the tokens, you can now explore the Venom ecosystem. Scroll down and you will see all the available dApps on the testnet. Complete the tasks for each dApp to earn an NFT. These NFTs represent your engagement with the ecosystem and are key to getting airdrop rewards in the future. Airdrop review. When reviewing an airdrop, there are several factors to consider. First, the likelihood the project will even do an airdrop in the first place. Then, to look at how many tokens the project intends to allocate towards airdrop campaigns, as well as the difficulty in participating in their airdrop. It is also important to look at the utility of the token so that there will be an actual use and purpose in participating in the airdrop in the first place. Finally, a factor to consider when reviewing an airdrop is whether the airdrop tokens are subject to any lockup period. Likelihood of airdrop. Venom Foundation has not officially confirmed an airdrop, but they revealed in their white paper that they will reward early users who contribute to the Venom network. Airdropped token allocation. 22% of the initial token supply will be allocated to the community. Airdrop difficulty. The Venom Testnet page is very UI friendly. It shows you the tasks you can complete for each dApp. Token utility. $Venom will be used to pay for transaction fees to maintain the network by validators, secure the network through proof-of-stake mechanisms, and support validators by network participants through depool staking. Token lockup. Of the initial supply of $7.2 billion Venom, 15.5% will be available to use, while 84.5% will remain locked. The locked tokens include 10% of the initial supply as a stake of early validators. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and will do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.